Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome to my online class. I am Roxana Chaudhary from City Government Girls High School, Chattogram. How are you, my dear students? Hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today, I am going to take a class from your English for Today book. And it is lesson 17. Okay, now please take out your book and I hope you will do the class attentively. The title of the lesson is Boat Sails on the Rivers. Can you guess the title? Is it a passage or a poem or something else? Yes, it is a poem. So before learning the poem, we will learn some learning outcomes of this lesson. Okay, now go to the slide. After we have studied this lesson, we will be able to number 1 recognize English sounds, number 2 recognize information in sentences, number 3 understand and enjoy stories and poems. Now my dear students, let's see some pictures. Can you guess the picture? It is a boat sail on the river. So you can understand that our today's lesson is boats sail on the rivers. Now let's learn some keywords from this lesson. Okay. Number 1, sail. It means to travel in a boat with sails. Number 2, breeze. To make the gap between things smaller. Number 3, overtop. It means exceed in height. Number 4, heaven. It means the upper regions of the air, the abode of God. Number 5, across. It means from one side to another. Number 6, bow. It means the rainbow or mixture of 7 colors that can be seen after rain across the sky. Number 7, pretty. It means beautiful, pleasing. Now, I hope my dear students you have learned the word meaning of this poem. Okay, now let's we can okay now we will know about the poet. Here is a picture of the poet. Her name is Christina Georgina Rossetti. She was born on 5th December 1830 and died on 29th December 1894. She was an English poet who wrote various romantic, devotional and children's poems. Her famous writings are Goblin Market and Remember still remain famous. Okay, so I hope my dear students you have learned about the poet of this poem, Boats Sail on the Rivers. Now my dear students, let's see a video.
Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas. But clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than these. There are bridges on the rivers, as pretty as you please. But the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees, and builds a road from earth to sky, is prettier far than these.
Okay, my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed the video. Now let's recite our today's lesson. It is a poem and the title is Boats Sail on the Rivers. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas. But clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than this. There are breezes on the rivers as pretty as you please, but the bow that breezes heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than this. Okay, my dear learners, I will recite the poem once again for you. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than these. There are breezes on the rivers as pretty as you please, but the bow that breezes heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than this. Okay, is it a nice poem? Yes, it is a nice poem. So, my dear learners, what you have understood from this poem, can you say? Okay, let's see the summary of this poem. This poem is about boats, ships, clouds, and breezes. It says that the clouds that sail across the sky are more beautiful than the boats and ships sailing across the rivers and oceans. The poet says that the rainbow which connects heaven and earth is more gorgeous than bridges made upon rivers. The poet compares rainbow with a bridge built on tree top which links earth and sky. Okay, my dear students, now I hope the summary is clear to you. Now we'll do some exercises. Okay, for this we have to do some exercises. Okay, for this you have to read the poem again and we'll know the answer of this question. What bow is the poet talking about when she says, but the bow that breezes heaven? Okay, now the answer, I hope you know the answer, but I am telling you the answer. Okay, the answer will be, when the poet says, but the bow that breezes heaven, she refers to the rainbow when it appears in the clean sky after the rain. Seeing this divine bow, our souls become very happy. Okay, my dear students, I hope the answer of this question is clear to you and also the poem is also clear to you. So, now let me give you some homework. The homework will be let me give you some homework, my dear students. Your homework will be write about your feelings and experiences in 5 sentences after reading this poem. Okay, my dear students, you must do the My dear students, you must do the homework and take a photo of it and then send it to our City Government Girls High School Facebook page. Okay, that's all for today. Stay home, stay safe. Thanks to all. Bye.